Did you know that a simple tablespoon of chia seeds can be a real game changer for your health? These small black and white seeds may appear modest, but they are actually one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, earning their place among the most powerful superfoods. In addition to aiding digestion, boosting energy, and supporting heart health, they are incredible allies for bone health, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and even keeping your skin hydrated and youthful. In this video, we'll explore 10 surprising benefits that just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day can bring to your body. You'll see how these tiny seeds can transform your health and well-being. And that's not all. Stay tuned until the end to learn a delicious and practical recipe that will make it even easier and more enjoyable to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Before we dive in, it's important to remember that while the benefits of chia seeds are widely supported, every body is unique. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have dietary restrictions or specific medical conditions. Now, get ready to discover how such a small food can have such a big impact. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like structure when in contact with water. This gel acts as a natural lubricant, easing intestinal transit and promoting nutrient absorption. Additionally, the mucilage in chia seeds acts as a natural cleanser for the intestines, helping eliminate waste and toxins. Studies suggest that this component also stimulates the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthier microbiome. Packed with potassium and magnesium, chia seeds help regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart rhythm. Potassium counteracts the effects of excess sodium in the body, improving blood circulation. Magnesium, on the other hand, is essential for preventing arrhythmias and keeping blood vessels flexible. A study involving diabetic adults found that daily chia consumption significantly reduced blood pressure, highlighting its cardiovascular benefits. Thanks to soluble fiber, chia seeds slow down carbohydrate digestion, allowing sugar to enter the bloodstream more gradually. This prevents glucose spikes and reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Moreover, their high magnesium content enhances insulin sensitivity, facilitating glucose metabolism. Studies with animals have shown that including chia in the diet significantly improves blood sugar and lipid levels. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, all essential for bone health. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones and prevent issues like osteoporosis. Additionally, boron in chia improves the absorption and utilization of these minerals by the body, amplifying their bone-supporting benefits. The omega-6 fatty acids in chia seeds help maintain the skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting against environmental damage. Selenium, another nutrient found in chia, acts as an antioxidant, shielding the skin from premature aging caused by free radicals. Studies also suggest that compounds in chia seeds may have anti-aging properties, keeping skin firmer and healthier. With a high fiber content, chia seeds create a prolonged feeling of fullness. When consumed, they form a gel in the stomach that slows digestion and reduces hunger. Additionally, the tryptophan in chia regulates appetite and promotes better mood, helping curb impulsive eating. The slow-digesting carbohydrates in chia provide stable energy throughout the day. Furthermore, vitamin B1 and potassium in the seeds help convert food into energy and prevent cramps, making chia an excellent choice for those who engage in physical activities. Chia seeds are a rich source of powerful antioxidants, including quercetin, caffeic acid, and phenolic acids. These bioactive compounds play a crucial role in combating free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. By neutralizing free radicals, chia's antioxidants protect the body against infections, chronic diseases, and inflammation. Additionally, the zinc and selenium in chia further enhance immune cells, boosting the body's resistance to viruses and bacteria. Chia is a powerful ally in maintaining hormonal balance due to its high magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber content. Magnesium is essential for regulating hormone-producing glands, helping balance estrogen and progesterone levels, especially during the menstrual cycle. This can significantly reduce PMS symptoms like irritability, bloating, and cramps. Omega-3s also play an anti-inflammatory role, supporting overall hormonal health and promoting greater physical and emotional stability. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, known as the happiness hormone. Serotonin is critical for regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Regular chia consumption can help increase this neurotransmitter's levels in the brain, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and improving sleep quality. Additionally, chia's omega-3 fatty acids are known for their neuroprotective properties, supporting brain health and helping prevent conditions like depression and cognitive decline. With all these benefits, chia seeds stand out as a complete superfood, naturally and affordably promoting health and wellness. Their abundance of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids makes them an intelligent choice for anyone looking to improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, balance hormones, and even support mental health. Another great advantage is their versatility. They can be incorporated into a variety of recipes, from smoothies and desserts to breads and salads, delivering benefits with every bite. For those looking to adopt healthier habits, including chia seeds in daily meals is a simple, practical, and delicious way to make your diet a true ally for your health. Want to learn a quick, tasty, and easy way to enjoy all the benefits this superfood has to offer? Stay tuned for the next tips and discover incredible recipes that will make a difference in your routine. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel